Hey guys, welcome back to Oddly Trending. If you're new here, this channel is your go-to spot for crypto opportunities, airdrops, and testnet guides to help you earn big with $0 investment. Today's video is perfect for those just starting out in the exciting world of airdrop hunting in 2025. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what you need to get started and how to position yourself for Bless Network's airdrop. So let's dive in. So what is Bless Network all about? Bless Network is another DePIN project. Just like Grass, just like NodePay, just like Gradient, is the world's first shared computer, a network of everyday devices used to support AI projects and high-demand computing tasks, automatically turning users into operators and creating a circular internet economy. Basically, they'll be using your spare compute power to perform or support AI projects and high demand computing tasks. So it allows you to also earn rewards from it. So it is basically decentralized, just like the DePIN decentralized physical infrastructure network on the blockchain, and you earn reward. So this is basically decentralizing what the data centers do and putting power in your hands and rewarding you for it. Bless Network has raised $8 million in funding from investors. $8 million. Investors like M31 Capital and NGC Ventures. And they have also launched their testnet campaign. And very simple to participate in the testnet campaign is just to sign up, install the extension, and run the node. So click the link on the description. That will take you to the Bless Network sign up page. From this page, you can see the world's first shared computer, get Chrome extension. After clicking Chrome extension, you add it to Chrome. The extension will work as always on Chromium based browsers. So Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Kiwi browser for Android, and Orion browser for iOS. So once the extension has been added to Chrome, next thing you do is you click on your extension, then you make sure you can see it, Bless, with those dots, 5 dots like that. So what I'm doing is I'm pinning it to my browser so I can easily access it. So upon clicking the extension, you click on log in. So now you have different choices to log in with. You can either log in via GitHub if you have a GitHub account, or you can log in with your Google account, or you can also use your email if you don't have a Google account. So for now, using a Google account is the simplest way to log in. So click login with my Google account. You just choose your Google account and then continue to sign in to Bless Network. So let's see. It is loading currently, just based on your network performance, but slowly we'll get there. Yeah, beautiful. So as you can see, we're on the dashboard. Remember, the node has been downloaded. You can see the node is currently online and syncing. That is that extension that should be running in the background. You can see your node ID. So each extension or each PC, the node you're running, has a unique node ID. And when you click on the extension, you can see today's time 0000 because we just started, and you can see the next roll call. The roll call is very important. That means every 10 minutes, you see it start counting down from 10 minutes. Every 10 minutes it shows the roll call verifies your connectivity. That is, it verifies whether your node is still connected. So it happens every 10 minutes. So you see the time increases in 10 minutes sequence or 10 minutes interval. So as you can see, that's the dashboard. You can view nodes. But let's go to achievement and see if there are any tasks that we need to do. So as you can see, we have 3 tasks available for achievement. There's a 10% boost if you use the referral code that is given to you by another community member. They said blessed with an invite by another community member. So you just click on add referral code. In the description, I've dropped referral code that will work for you and give you the 10% boost. So it's there in the video description. So just click on add referral code and input the referral code. The next thing you have to do is to connect your Twitter account. So you click on connect X. That's X is basically, previously known as Twitter. So I'll always refer to it as Twitter. So you sign in to your Twitter account and then you authorize the connection to Bless. So after you've done that, the next thing to do is to connect to Discord. If you don't know what Discord is, go to discord.com, sign up for a Discord account, and then connect your Discord account to Bless. Because Discord is a very important tool if you are airdrop hunting. I will release guides on tools that you need when you're airdrop hunting for 2025. For your referrals, you can see how many referrals you have, and that is the referral code that you can use to bless your invite with 10% bonus or 10% boost. So now let's go back to the dashboard. The node is still running. Now we've transitioned. This is some days later. You can see the node is currently online and syncing. You can see today's time is 4 hours 30 minutes. You can see total time, base time, bonus time. Referral time is, you earn 10% of your referees time. So that's it. You can scroll down, you can see your uptime, you can see the days that you were not connected and the days that you're connected. Very quickly, let me go to that achievement and see. You can see everything is ticked green. So you can see your total boost will be 20%. The others that are blurred out have not been released yet. So, the project is still very early. That is very, very good. So let's go back to the nodes. Right now, I've set up 2 nodes on 2 devices. So my phone, that is an iPhone, I set it up using the Orion browser, Orion, using Chrome extension, and then on my PC. So going back here, as you can see, it is still ongoing. So just do that. Make sure you are connected. Make sure your nodes are running. Invite people and enjoy the rewards. By the time this project launches, hopefully you're going to get a fantastic and beautiful airdrop, and you will have positioned yourself to benefit from this exciting opportunity. By all means, we've come to the end of this video. Please like this video. It's very important that you subscribe to this YouTube channel. It's a new YouTube channel and we're trying to grow this channel. Please subscribe and also share this video. It helps the channel in the algorithm. It's a new channel, so please let's get this channel to the moon. So thank you. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.